I'll show you a few simple ways to make any design into a keychain or straw body using our Serif 3D keychain and straw body maker template. Let's start with our little sheep. This one is a simple keychain loop with a flat bottom. We hold Ctrl, left click on both objects, right click, merge. Now let's try the next keychain. This one is a vertical loop, also with a flat bottom. We place the loop until it overlaps the pumpkin well. Then we hold the Ctrl button, left click on both objects, then right click, press on merge. On to the next one. We designed this loop to go on to the top parts of designs. The shape helps to not have any floating regions, so it won't get any issues at printing. For this one too, let's select both objects by holding the Ctrl button and left click on both of them. Right click, then merge. Now we navigate to the Objects panel section and select the Keychain loop. We go on the Move tool and move the keychain loop to the desired position using the small arrows. Nice! We made 3 different keychains under a minute. Now they are ready to slice and print. Let's move on to the straw body making. We made 3 different types of straw loop inserts. Let me demonstrate their use. This one has an extra half loop attached, so it helps with a proper overlapping between the 2 objects. It's useful when a character has a rounded shape. You can rotate the camera to see it from above and below. When there's no obscuring part hanging into the straw loop, we are good to go. For the Jack Skellington pumpkin, I'll show a little example. Let's try the short extension loop first. Since this has a shorter part, it doesn't really fit this design in any ways. If we look at the top, we see that the straw would get stuck, and we see at the bottom that they don't overlap well enough. But if we try with a long extension, it works perfectly with this design. And lastly, let's see how well the last straw loop fits with the ghost. This one seems pretty simple, but always make sure that the design doesn't hang over the straw loop. And we are done. 3 straw buddies have been made under a minute too. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to download this template file from our Patreon post.